Hi, hello guys. Today meron lang akong i-share sa inyo na napakagandang produkto, no? From Nextify.ai. Gagawa lang ako ng short reviews kasi hindi ko mapigilan dahil super beneficial ito sa lahat ng mga merong mga business or if you're a freelance na gumagawa ng mga content para sa inyong mga clientele. Ito yung product, no? I think na napakaganda para gamitin nyo, no? And super easy siya. Napakadali niyang gamitin. It's a no-brainer. So, nakikita nyo rito. Pwedeng parang UGC siya, no? Human reviews sa products or even testimonies sa mga products, no? Even if you are running an e-commerce platform, pwede rin siyang sa mga produkto ng iba't ibang klase ng product. So I think, no, without further ado, I think I'm gonna show you some of the videos that I did on my own na napakadali na, hindi ko akalain na ganun kadali na gumawa ngayon, no? With the new advanced system na ginagamit ngayon sa industry, no? So, eto bali siya, no? Ito na yung nagawa ko ng product na una. Bali, ilalagay mo lang yung mismong picture dito. And I have three kinds pero may automatic na ginagawa ito si um, Nextify na ready-made na dito sa ginawa kong sample na product ng t-shirt na merchant namin. So, tingnan nyo siya.
Stop wearing boring clothes on your vacations. I just found the ultimate travel tee for anyone. Look at this shirt. I'm already in vacation mode. The custom print is ridiculously cute. It's so soft and breathable, perfect for literally any outdoor trip. Whether you are traveling solo or with friends, click the link and grab this comfy travel shirt before it sells out. Let's go.
Yeah, so yun siya, no? Hindi mo siya isipin na AI siya, talagang real human yung nagbibigay ng reviews about the product. And kung gagamitin lang, napakadali naman, simple-simple lang, no? So ako naglagay lang ako ng image plus ito. Yung una kong ginawa yung picture ko pero hindi ko na to ginamit. Ang mas ginamit ko yung kanilang ito, yung ginagamit na AI UGC, no? So super ganda yung result niya. So basically ako, gagamit ka lang kasi ng selling point Yan yung tips for selling points, parang prompt siya, no? Na ilalagay mo about the product, product name, selling points, how to use, target audience, and use cases. In my case, ang ginagawa ko dyan is pumupunta lang ako sa ChatGPT. Alam mo naman ngayon, lahat ng system dapat pabalisin mo yung trabaho mo. So, ang ginagawa ko lang, inutusan ko lang si ChatGPT na gawan niya ako ng parang pinaka description o prompts and then ilalagay ko na kagad dito, no? So, napakadali, no? Yon, punta lang kay ChatGPT, ilagay nyo lang kung ano yung product na gagamitin nyo at upload nyo yun, no? Kung ano mang produkto yung iniisip nyong i-create. And in my case, I think this time for tutorial sake, no, dito sa reviews na to, itong produkto ng dog food, no, and yung content na kalagay dito, make sure that the product relevance dun sa images na ginagawa nyo. And after that, i-click nyo lang yung point solution, reaction, no? Um, and then it will generate itself, no? So yung from your image na sinend mo sa kanya, tignan natin. I don't know what will come up here, but once you auto-generate the system, siya na yung gagawa mismo kagad, instance. I think it's just 4 minutes to do it. So, bali ganun lang, no? Basta na-set up mo na lahat dito, no? Nailagay mo na yung kung anong pain point, reaction, unboxing, customer reviews, tapos nalagay mo na yung product description and pictures. Bali, auto-generate mo lang and magiging result na niyan is itong pinaka-final na
Wearing boring clothes on your vacations? I just
parang
found the
ganito.
ultimate travel tee for anyone. Look at this shirt. I'm already in vacation mode. The
Mhm.
custom print is ridiculously cute. It's so soft and breathable, perfect for literally any outdoor trip. Whether you are traveling solo or with friends, click the link and grab this comfy travel shirt before it sells out. Let's go.
Yun,
Stop wearing boring clothes on your vacation.
i-highlight niya yung naging resulta nitong produkto na re-reviews sa pamamagitan ng UGC AI na ganyan. So, ganun lang, no? This product is really helpful. Gaya nito,
Hello, I'm Sophia. I joined
gaya nito sa isang ginawa kong parang reviews sa amin sa Liwaliw Travels. Kumbaga reviews ng experience na kumuha sa amin ng travel agent. So, check nyo to.
Hello, I'm Sophia. I joined Liwa Layu while keeping my full-time job because I wanted something flexible. I can learn and work during my free time without feeling pressured. It's been a great way to explore the travel industry at my own pace.
So, yun lang yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo if you really wanted to try this product. Ito siya, no, yung it's called Nextify.ai, no? I think it's cost ito $23.42 US dollars. May credit siya, no? 100 credits per month for one user. Kung gusto mo nang dagdagan, kung marami kang gumawa ng content, pwedeng sa 300 credits ka, $47.42 a month. And then, kung talagang busy ka na talagang paggawa ng creation, 126 a month yung price niya with 600 credits. Typically, talagang I think best na gamitin especially sa mga produkto and if you are running your own business or kung ikaw ang nagra-run ng business sa mga clientele mo. So I think this is the reviews I have for this product. So sana if you want to try, just click the link in my description sa baba na ilalagay ko para magkaroon kayo ng 20% discount sa bawat kukuhanin yung subscription sa kanila. So, yun lang po. Have a great day. Bye.